Friends, please consider supporting Besa during the Big Give. Your donation is a direct investment in civic engagement work across Columbus. You will inspire thousands of people to sign up, show up, and do volunteerism that have a direct impact on the causes that matter most. So on the Big Give, please give big, and let's do good together. Thank you.
I'm here today at the YMCA Early Learning Center. The YMCA of Central Ohio has been serving our Central Ohio community during the pandemic crisis through emergency shelter services, pandemic childcare, as well as many other community outreach efforts. We know this crisis has also affected our families economically, and we know that 1 in 5 families is going to need assistance for childcare, for summer at the Y, summer at camp opportunities, and even a membership for their children or families. So please consider contributing to the YMCA of Central Ohio during this year's Big Give. Thank you.
Access. In 2017, we were fortunate enough to receive nearly $10,000 from the Big Give campaign. So we're counting on our community this year to match that impact and support. We handle more than 200,000 phone calls to our crisis support line and 10,000 walk-ins to our crisis center each year. Mental health is community health, and we've been a part of this community for 48 years. You can donate today by finding us in the Giving Store under Netcare.
Funds that ETSS receives during the Big Give this year are especially important as we coordinate our outreach to immigrant and refugee communities across Columbus. Our staff speak over 20 languages and have the knowledge and connections to get needed information into the hands of community members. Due to the COVID-19 health pandemic, many of our families are experiencing disruptions across all sectors of life. Their physical and mental health may have been impacted by food insecurity, unemployment, domestic violence, anxiety, or depression. For many of our immigrant and refugee families, these disruptions may have triggered memories or past experiences from times living in refugee camps. Please support ETSS during the Big Give so we can continue to provide our programs and services to diverse communities across Columbus. Thank you.
C&D has been helping youth and families in Franklin County for 31 years. One thing we do is provide mental health and substance use disorder treatment services to adults. And we treat anyone regardless of their ability to pay. These services are needed now more than ever, given the recent surge in opioid use and mental illness. C&D also works with youth, providing prevention education and positive mentoring through a summer day camp, in-school and after-school programs, and we even take 35 high school students on a week-long college tour. Your support of C&D through the Big Give will help us provide these services to even more people right here in Columbus. Thank you.
The Big Give this year is crucial for the Mid-Ohio Food Collective and our neighbors who we serve. Prior to COVID-19, we already knew that 1 in 6 Ohioans are food insecure, and for children, that number is 1 in every 4. Since our community has been battling this pandemic, we have seen record numbers of people coming to us for help for the very first time, as well as record numbers of food distributed in certain months. With your generosity, we will be able to continue to help our hungry neighbors when they need us the most. We want our entire community to know that we are here with you and for you.